If you are like me, then you have been totally obsessing over Sofia Richie's wedding veil. Yes, Lionel Richie's daughter. She actually had a custom 2-layer drop wedding veil that was designed to look like it had dewdrops on the fabric itself, so different than normal rhinestones that you see on wedding veils. As a wedding veil designer, I certainly wanted to be able to somehow mimic the technique, so I got out some clear resin. If you have ever played around with resin, you will realize that it is actually quite temperamental, and the first few times that I did it, it definitely was not up to standard, but I kept playing around with it, and eventually I think I got some pretty good dewdrops going. I am super privileged to be able to work on this gorgeous one for my bride named Hope. Still going to add on a few more dewdrops. We're not quite there yet, but I'm pretty happy with it so far. I think it's definitely very elegant and different. Each veil that I make is the beginning of this family's legacy. And yes, I am going to plug my own website. If you would like some free samples, please visit oneblushingbride.com and I'll send them to you.